As school gets out for the summer, the Michigan Learning Channel's 8-week summer program is a fun way to keep kids engaged in learning all summer long, blending academic skills like reading, writing, and math with art, fitness, and field trips. The Michigan Learning Channel summer helps students to be ready for school in the fall. From preschool to 6th grade, each grade has a variety of video lessons.
It takes me to what we're actually going to be focusing on in today's show, looking at real-life examples of how to use area. So with that in mind, boys and girls, take a look at this partially tiled rectangle.
Each grade has a fun and interactive activity book, virtual events, and special broadcasts around 8 weekly themes.
You know, it's really incredible that Michigan has over 75 tree species in the forest and even more in cities and people's backyards. And you can learn to identify them.
On air, online, on demand. And it's all available statewide for free to students, families, and teachers from Michigan's public television stations, reaching nearly every Michigan home to support student success.
Balma P. Kawabaman. We'll see you next time.
Michigan Learning Channel, public television's education resource. Watch now on the Michigan Learning Channel or online at michiganlearning.org/summer.